I just tell you as a consumer, whether it's in my healthcare system and going through contact center, the portal, et cetera, or consumer in the retail world, we all have stories of what works really well, right? What we're happy with, what was easy. And then we all have the stories of like what was awful. And just get me to a person. Let me talk to a person. Don't route
Well,
me this way and that way again. I just need someone to help me.
right, right. And to your point, I mean, the companies that don't tune or maintain those systems very well, you end up in the loops and the issues where it's like I'm trapped, like I can't get out of here, and it's actually not helping me do what I need to do.
Yeah.
So I think we're pretty sensitive to that. Like we're not going to trap people in the loop. If someone says agent, you're going right away. There's no stop. There's
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
extra question that's coming after. It's right away.
Yeah.
And then
Good.
and starting to think about the fact that the technology's evolved even the last couple of years because of open AI and others coming to the scene is that they're using large language models. Like you had to build out intents with these systems in the past, and the intents had to be in specific orders, and you had to rearrange the orders to make sure that if someone asked a complex question that had multiple pieces to it, we had to build out each of those pieces individually to be able to answer that question. Enter ChatGPT, and you can ask a pretty complex question through the technology and have it, as long as it has access to the data sources and the processes around it, it should be able to transact it without asking more questions or just getting generally confused and frustrating you to the point where you're like agent. So,
Agent.